all I do, I'm gonna cut this one, make it there so they can sit underneath there, and then water will just drain up without me messing the floor. So I pour a towel there. Come. Let's focus there. Do this. So I'm gonna take this one, I'll cut it in the shape where it's gonna fit in there so that the water drain in. What I'll do is I'll just cut it. I'll just cut it. So there we go here. So we got this shape like this. Water can just in it, and I close here, and then I'll open the filter. Put in there, this. Yeah. Now water will drain in there, and then I'll just open the filter. See, all the water's coming in. Close. Switch off. All right.